Welcome to our video tutorial on installing ChatGPT on your Windows computer for free. We have seen in previous video tutorial that how we can do an initial setup of ChatGPT with our email in the browser, and that was also totally free. ChatGPT is a powerful AI language model developed by OpenAI designed to assist you in generating text, answering questions, and enhancing your creativity across various applications. Whether you are a student, a professional, or simply someone looking to explore AI capabilities, this guide will help you harness the potential of ChatGPT for your task. In this video, we will walk you through the straightforward step to set up ChatGPT on your computer. You don't need to be a tech expert, just follow along as we cover the prerequisites, installation process, and how to start using this incredible tool. By the end of this video, you will be ready to experience the many ways ChatGPT can elevate your productivity and spark your imaginations. So now at my screen, I am on chatgpt.com. If you have seen my previous video, we have set up our email account, and that is simply doing a login and providing verification code. So I am logging in with my that specific Google account into ChatGPT. So keep your same account login all the time in ChatGPT will be beneficial for you, and ChatGPT will remember your preferences and history. So now as we suppose to install and set up ChatGPT on our computer so that we don't need to open up a browser again and again and go to the URLs. So let's go ahead and ask ChatGPT. Right by this way, I will show you few of activities and advantages of ChatGPT. Okay, now I asked ChatGPT that I didn't find app section. Give me a screenshot for the location. Now ChatGPT told me that to download the ChatGPT desktop app for your computer, you can visit OpenAI official website at this link. Let's go to this link directly, and here I have found the option to download ChatGPT for Mac and for Windows. So basically here our target is to download it for Windows. Please note that I will be sharing all these links in the video description, so don't worry about that. And also please note that here our purpose of this video to install and set up ChatGPT totally for free. And now I click on download, and hopefully this will start download few seconds. Okay, now ChatGPT installer is asking me to pick up the location for downloading. Let's select the download folder and click on save. It's downloaded ChatGPT in the folder. Let's go to the folder and try to install ChatGPT in our computer. Okay, let's open this installer. This is downloading and retrieving information from Microsoft Store. Let's click on install. This will check my system requirements, and it started the download for ChatGPT. Now this will take some time and will download ChatGPT. This totally depends upon the internet speed. Okay, once the installation is finished, I could see the ChatGPT icon in my taskbar notification menu. And let's see where else we can find ChatGPT. I can see in recently added programs. Let's try to pin this to start menu. And also I want to pin this ChatGPT to taskbar so that we can access it easily. Let's open ChatGPT for the first time. Verify you are a human and waiting for ChatGPT to respond. Okay, fine. Let's go ahead and log in. With the same email account I use ChatGPT, logging in will be beneficial as ChatGPT will remember all the preferences. Okay, now it's getting logged in with my Gmail account that is connected in the browser. Perfect. Quickly access ChatGPT. To quickly access ChatGPT, you can press Alt plus space button. You can see here, it's written here, press Alt and space to open companion window. Okay, fine. Now I am logged in to ChatGPT with my account, right? And I'm not going to explain you any other options here because in the first lecture, or we can say in the beginner's lecture of ChatGPT, I explained everything. This tutorial was only to show you how we can get ChatGPT on our computer. That's it about today's simple and to the point tutorial. Thanks for watching. Keep watching and don't forget to subscribe ITPK. Take care. Bye.